In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private channel public in Slack. Now, setting a private channel to public can be a useful move if you want to open discussions up to a wider audience within your team or organization. Please note that one key point to remember is that you need to have the appropriate permissions to change the privacy settings of a channel in Slack. Usually this means being either the owner or an admin of the workspace or the creator of the channel itself. So, without further delay, let's dive right into the steps to make this change. First, you'll want to open your Slack application. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing Slack via your web browser, this guide applies to both. Once inside your Slack workspace, navigate to the channel sidebar on the left-hand side. You're going to scroll through until you find the private channel you wish to make public. Private channels are easily identifiable by a lock icon next to their name. Once you've located your private channel, go ahead and click on it to enter. Now that you're inside the channel, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you should see a channel name followed by various icons. What you're looking for next is the Settings or Details button, often represented by an information circle or gear icon, depending on your interface version. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu should appear, providing you with a slew of options. Your focus in this menu should be the Additional Options, or Settings option, which will lead you to further configurations about the channel. When you click that, you'll see a dedicated section for privacy settings or something similar in that context. Here comes the main part. Look for an option that allows you to edit or change the channel's privacy settings. In that section, you should find an option labeled Make Public. It's worth noting that once you select this, it will prompt a confirmation step. Slack does this to ensure that such privacy-altering decisions are made consciously, considering the nature of information that might become accessible to a broader audience. So when the confirmation dialog box appears, review the message, and if you're absolutely sure you want to move forward, select Yes or Confirm. Congratulations, your channel is now public. This means that any member within your Slack workspace can now view and join the channel, engaging in the discussions, or reviewing the shared content. Remember, making a channel public can be a great way to foster broader communication, but always keep channel content in mind when deciding to make such changes. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet crucial process to transition a private channel to a public one in Slack. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other features within Slack to optimize your team's communication and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.